Okay, now we are going to continue our short notes. हमारे short notes में जो first था Quit India movement that has been done. Okay, so my dictation is also done and I am going to tell you that I had told you that in page number 81 and 82 there is the answer of Quit India movement. Okay, now we will going to see the second question's answer. Second question that is called Dandi March. Okay, Dandi March answer you can get it from page number 78. Okay, you can get this answer on textbook page 78. टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर 78 में भी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. जो कि यहाँ पे है. सो इन पेज नंबर 78 यू कैन सी द आंसर्स. आप इस ये पूरा आंसर भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. इसमें मेन पॉइंट है वो लिख के भी आप आंसर लिख सकते हो. ओके, इफ आपको डिक्टेशन नहीं समझ में आया तो. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिक्टेट यू दिस आंसर. राइट डाउन द आंसर्स ऑफ दांडी मार्च. ओके, मैं ये ले रही हूँ, इसका आंसर डिक्टेट कर रही हूँ. दांडी मार्च. द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट government had made salt salt a taxable taxable commodity commodity. Moreover, commodity के बाद फुल स्टॉप देना है आपको. तो फर्स्ट लाइन क्या होगी? द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट हैड मेड सॉल्ट और टैक्सेबल कमोडिटी. फुल स्टॉप देना है. नेक्स्ट लाइन लिखनी है कंटिन्यू करके. मोरेवर मोरेवर ज्वाइंट में लिखना है. दे मोनोपोलाइज monopolize the production production and trade of salt trade trade of salt. फुल स्टॉप देना है. महात्मा गांधी and other nationalist का स्पेलिंग है nationalists. nationalist felt that it was unjust unjust to put a tax tax on salt as it is the most the most essentials, ESSENTIAL, essentials, component, 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 of R, OUR, daily diet, DAILY, daily diet, 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 फुल स्टॉप देना है, फुल स्टॉप देना है. So Gandhi ji, GANDHIJI, Gandhi ji announced, ANNOUNCED, announced that he would carry out a march, 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 to break the salt law, full stop. On 12th March, on 12th March 1930, Gandhi ji along with 78 companions, had started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. गांधी जी reached, अहमदाबाद के बाद फुल स्टॉप देना है. गांधी जी reached, REACHED, reach मतलब पहुंचना. गांधी जी reached दांडी, DANDI, दांडी, on 5th April 1930. Okay, 5th April 1930. The next day, that is on 6th April, he reached the Dandi sea coast, SEACOAST, coast, sea coast and picked up, P-I-C-K-E-D, picked up a fistful, F-I-S-T-F-U-L, a fistful of salt, S-A-L-T, salt, and broke, B-R-O-K-E, broke the salt law, S-A-L-T, salt law. Put a full stop. He said, with this, I am shaking the foundations, F-O-U-N-D-A-T-I-O-N-S, foundations of British Empire, full stop देना है. Farmers, tribal people, T-R-I-B-A-L, tribal people, and women, W-O-M-E-N, women, actively, A-C-T-I-V-E-L-Y, actively participated in the movement. The government resorted to suppressive method, S-U-P-P-R-E-S-S-I-V-E, suppressive method, and arrested, A-R-R-E-S-T-E-D, arrested thousands of, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S, thousands of satyagrahi, S-T-S-A-T-Y-A-G-R-A-H-I-S, satyagrahis, and arrested thousands of सत्याग्रहीज. फुल स्टॉप देना है. कंप्लीट हो गया दांडी मार्च. ओके, अभी मैं पूरा फिर से रीड करूँगी. आपके जो भी सेंटेंस मिस आउट है, कुछ भी है, तो आप चेक आउट करें. ओके, दांडी मार्च. The British government had made salt a taxable commodity. Moreover, they monopolized the productions and trade of salt. Mahatma Gandhi and other nationalists felt that it was unjust to put a tax on salt, as it is the most essential component of our daily diet. So Gandhiji announced that he would carry out a march to break the salt law. On 12th March 1930, Gandhiji, along with 78 companions, he started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashrams in Ahmedabad. Gandhiji reached Dandi on 5th April 1930. The next day, that is on 6th April, he reached the Dandi sea coast and picked up a fistful of salt and broke the salt law. He said, with this I am shaking the foundations of the British Empire. Farmers farmer, tribal people and women actively participated in the movement. The government resorted to suppressive method and arrested thousands of satyagrahi. Okay, so we have completed our Dandi March answer. So after that we are going to see some objective type of questions. So I am going to give you the fill in the blanks, okay? Some fill in the blanks that is not in textbook. Just write down. Question 3 हो गया. Question 4. In 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would undertake a march to break the unjust salt law. Okay, so first answer is salt law. Okay, in 1930 Gandhiji declared that he would undertake a march to break to unjust law. Second one, Gandhiji started the Dandi March from dash dash ashram in Ahmedabad, Sabarmati ashram. The second answer is Sabarmati this is part 6. Okay. Gandhiji broke the salt law on dash dash 1930, 6th of April. Okay, थोड़ा क्या था Gandhiji broke 6th April 1930. 4. Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 12th March and dash dash. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 12th March 1930. ये 6 April. Okay. Next 5th one. The British government organize the first round table conference in dash dash city, London. Okay. So the British government organized the first round table conference in London city. Which city? London city. Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 12th March 1930. Gandhiji broke the salt law on 6th April 1930. Gandhiji started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashrams in Ahmedabad. So answer is Sabarmati. Okay, and first one in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would undertake the march to break the unjust. Answer आएगा salt law. 6th one हम लेंगे. Gandhiji attended the dash dash round table conference. Gandhiji attended the dash dash round table. कौन सी? सेकेंड वाली उन्होंने अटेंड की. तो आंसर आएगा सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस. राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस. ओके, डन. सो लास्ट का आंसर आएगा सेकेंड. सो हमने क्या देखा अभी? फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में हमने 6 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट किए. आपको नोट डाउन में कॉपी करना है और लिखना है, टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है.